In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom overview report in Google Analytics 4, or GA4. This process will allow you to have a personalized dashboard containing all the key metrics you need to efficiently monitor your website's performance. So, let's dive right in and get started on building your very own overview report in GA4. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Google Analytics 4 property where you would normally manage your website's data. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll find a section labeled Reports. This is your go-to hub for all things related to your website's performance metrics. Click on Reports, and it will open up a few more options underneath. Among these options, you'll see one marked Library. Go ahead and click on that. The library is essentially where you get to explore existing reports and also where you can create something new. Today, we're going to do just that. Create something new and tailored to your specific needs. Once inside the library, you'll see a button that invites you to Create New Report. Click on it, and from its drop-down choices, select Create Overview Report. This particular type of report allows you to compile a collection of key metrics, each presented on its card for easy visualization. Now that you've chosen to create an overview report, you will begin adding those all-important cards. A card functions as an at-a-glance visualization, capturing vital data points like users, sessions, and conversions. You can add up to 16 different cards to your report. Think of each card as a brick in the wall of your dashboard. They collectively provide a comprehensive view of your website's health and performance. As you go about adding these cards, consider which metrics are most relevant to your specific goals or KPIs. For example, if your focus is primarily on user engagement, you might select metrics related to active users and session duration. If conversions are more your cup of tea, you can pick cards that closely track this data. It's all about honing in on what's vital for your understanding and decision-making processes. After you've carefully curated up to 16 cards to form your perfect overview report, it's time to save and publish your masterpiece. Look for the option in the interface to Save and Publish your newly created report. This step is crucial because it makes your report easily accessible right from the sidebar. With it being published, your custom dashboard becomes a readily available tool, simplifying how you track your essential metrics anytime you log in. And there you have it, a personalized overview report in Google Analytics 4, methodically crafted to suit your specific needs. Being able to quickly access all the pertinent data you need, right in the sidebar, not only saves you time, but undeniably boosts your analytical efficiency. I hope you found this video helpful, and remember, your dashboard is now just a click away whenever you need a quick view of your data. Thanks for watching.